Salam sejahtera. We are from Group 3. Our presentation topic is No Straw Campaign. And our course is DJJ40132 Engineering and Society from class DKM4A. And our lecturer is Encik Akmal bin Ismail.
List of content. The first thing is introduction, history, problem statement, supporting system, conclusion and suggestion.
Team members. I, Daniel Hakimi bin Muchiri. My metric number is 15 DKM 21F 1034.
Okay, my name is Muhammad Faris Irfan bin Zawawi. My matrix number is 15 DKM 21S1024.
My name is Muhammad Fakro Shahmi bin Zahire. My metric number is 15 DKM 21F 1026.
My name is Muhammad Akmal bin Muhammad Arshad. My metric numbers 15 DKM 21F 1028.
My name is Muhammad Fazli Aziz bin Ahmad Kamal. My metric number is 50 DKM 21 F1030.
What is straw? What is straw? Straw is something that used every day that helps the process of us to drink water with the concept that is easy to fight gravity.
How about the creation history of straw? One day, Marvin, who had previously worked on making paper cigarette holders, was inspired to patent a new process for making straw. He rolled paraffin-coated paper around a pencil and glued the end. Using wiregrass, using this leaf left to sip water with this paper leaf make a straw prototype by twisting strips of paper around a pencil and gluing them together. Why we must say no to plastic straw? Take up to 100 years to decompose and disrupt ecosystem. Made of precious fossil fuels, take up to 100 years to decompose, 500 million used annually, and lastly, increase ocean toxic.
Supporting statement. When is the No Straw campaign implemented? Since January 1 in Kuala Lumpur, Putrajaya and Labuan, and since July 1 in Selangor, there is allegedly a ban on plastic straw. Why this campaign is being implemented? Addressing the problem of plastic trash. How the campaign is implemented? A notice post in the restaurant stating that straws are only available upon request.
Okay, conclusion. This type of innovation must to be encouraged, either via greater customer support or by larger government tax breaks and R&D funding. The state government, along with each local council, will embark on education and awareness campaign to remind consumers to refrain from requesting for plastic straw and encourage them to bring their own, and ideally switch to environmentally friendly materials.
Our suggestion. First, you can also purchase and use metal or even paper straw. We can buy this straw by the Shopee or any store. Second, do not litter the straw to the environment by throwing plastic items. Third, requesting your drink without a plastic straw. So that's all for our presentation. Thank you.